today you will have the opportunity not only to hear from His Holiness, but from the President of the United States, from the Speaker, and from other important leaders of your great nation.
Ladies and gentlemen, the joyous occasion is approaching when we move from this stage to stage inside here, where His Holiness the Dalai Lama is about to receive the Congressional Medal.
Today we gather in this great chamber, a president and a poet, members of Congress and members of the clergy, to award the 146th gold medal. And I can think of no one living on the earth today more deserving of this honor than His Holiness, the 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet.
Through this award, we are recognizing his lifelong advocacy on behalf of peace, tolerance, human rights, nonviolence, and religious understanding.
That like all people, his own, in Tibet, have the right to live a sovereign, religious and cultural life.
I want our friends in Beijing to know that while occasionally we look like a divided country, we are all united in making this plea. Let this man of peace visit Beijing.
Through our many talks, I know the Dalai Lama is a reasonable man. He is not seeking independence, but meaningful autonomy within the People's Republic of China.
So today we honor his sacrifice and his struggle, and with a firm commitment that we will never forget the people of Tibet.
It's obvious by the reaction of this crowd, Mr. President, that we're proud that you're here. You join a growing list of world leaders who are stepping forward to say in public what the world has long known. The Tibetan people have a right to their heritage, their freedom, and the man we honor today is not only courageous, but also right to demand both.
Today, with this gold medal, we honor the Tibetan people again, and His Holiness the Dalai Lama for his many enduring and outstanding contributions to peace, nonviolence, human rights, and religious understanding. Your Holiness, you bring luster to this congressional award. You bring a challenge to the conscience of the world. And today, you bring peace to the capital of the United States. Congratulations and thank you.
Over the years, Congress has conferred the gold medal on many great figures in history, usually at a time when their struggles were over and won. Today, Congress has chosen to do something different. It has conferred this honor on a figure whose work continues and whose outcome remains uncertain. In doing so, America raises its voice in the call for religious liberty and basic human rights. I congratulate His Holiness on this recognition. I'm so honored to be here with you, sir. Laura and I join all Americans in offering the people of Tibet our fervent prayer that they may find days of prosperity and peace. And now I ask the Speaker and Senator Byrd to join me for the gold medal presentation.
It is a great honor for me to receive the Congressional Gold Medal. This recognition will bring tremendous joy and encouragement to the Tibetan people. The time has come for our dialogue with Chinese leadership to progress towards the successful implementation of a meaningful autonomy for Tibet. Let me take this opportunity to once again appeal to the Chinese leadership to recognize the grave problems in Tibet, the genuine grievances and the deep resentments of the Tibetan people inside Tibet, and to have the courage and the wisdom to address these problems realistically in the spirit of reconciliation. On behalf of 6 million Tibetan people, I wish to take this opportunity to recognize from the depth of my heart the support extended to us by the American people and their government. Your continued support is critical. I thank you once again for the high honor that you have bestowed on me today. Thank you very much.